This video is the first cartoon drawing of the different animals we saw at Kilimanjaro Safari in Walt Disney World. Today we will be drawing a giraffe. Of course, it will be in cartoon form to have fun and enjoy while drawing. Start by drawing an oval for its front face section, positioning it as shown on the paper. Remember to follow along as I show you how to draw. Pause or slow the video at any time when needed. What I draw for one side of the giraffe's head I do for the other, this way the head looks visually balanced. Throughout the video you will see at times a completed image of the drawing we are working on pop up in the upper left corner, to be used as a visual guide. Because comments cannot be left, if you like how this video is shown, please watch to the end. I can only tell if it was enjoyable for you by the time spent watching it. If I see you do enjoy it, I will create other teaching videos this way. For smaller sections of the drawing as the eyes and tail, I will zoom in so you have a better view. Did you know a giraffe's tongue is 18 inches long and colored purple, blue or black? The coloring is to protect it from the sun's rays as it eats. Now you will see the simple shape of the giraffe. After the head is drawn, most of the other lines are fairly straight. The giraffe's neck and legs are long and tall, with only a slight curvature from the neck down the back to the tail. Because giraffes have long legs, they can run 35 miles, or 56 kilometers per hour for short distances. You would think that because they spend 16 to 20 hours a day eating, while watching out for lions they would need a lot of rest for energy. However, they only require 5 to 30 minutes a day to sleep. Although the giraffe's tail is drawn short for this cartoon, they in fact have the longest tail of any land mammal. It would need to be long to swat flies and other insects off its tall body. The spots on a giraffe are used to hide them from enemies, as well as help them cool down from the hot temperatures they live in. You can draw these spots any way you like because all giraffes have different spot patterns and coloration. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I was able to teach you a little bit more about drawing, while making it easy and fun. It was a pleasure for me to create this video. Stay tuned for more animal and Disney cartoon drawings as I continue to create drawings for you. I hope it was as much a pleasure for you to watch as it was for me to create.